So on number 6, the important word here is the range of sides. If we know two sides, one of them is 2.9 and the other one is 5.7, we have to remind ourselves that the third side could be many different options. So here I have a triangle that has side length of 9 and 4, and those are concrete. They can't change. The range of sides is that third one that's moving right now. You can see all of these make a triangle. 7.42, 9.01, all of those are possibilities. So as you kind of start to drag it out, you can kind of see the top end. What is the largest that that side can be before the triangle goes flat? And it turns out that it's 13. So 9 plus 4 gives us 13. So it needs to be less than 13, like 12.58 and so on and so forth. But then you have to go the other way. So when you go all the way down, you can see it gets smaller and smaller, and then at one point it's just going to be flat again. And that point is when the side is 5. And the way we get that number is we subtract 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4 gives us 5, and at that point it's no longer a triangle. So it needs to be greater than 5, but it needs to be less than 13. Now apply that to this problem with 2.9 and 5.7.